Welcome to Empire Media World News. Construction Inc., the informative hub for worldwide construction industry. Now let's check out the top stories. Tampa International Airport, an updated look inside the $1 billion construction project. Tampa International Airport is halfway through phase 1 of its $1 billion renovation, and things are starting to take shape. This is the first major renovation since the terminal was built in 1971. The improvements will help the airport accommodate 35 million passengers a year, or doubling the annual amount recorded in 2013. Part of that includes widening an airplane bridge that crosses over vehicle traffic, so the airport can accommodate larger international airplanes. That's all for now, see you next time.